Hello, brothers. One of the things that I see that holds us back from really being present in our lives, moving towards purpose, being in the type of relationships we want, is the ability to open our hearts. And this can sound very conceptual, but there is a sense, a physical sensation that we can feel when our heart is open or closed. And so many of us experienced things in childhood that would make us want to close our hearts. That we may even be with a partner that we know loves us, and that somehow we're not able to fully receive that love. Or we may create something beautiful in the world and have a lot of accomplishments and not be able to receive the appreciation for those accomplishments. We might not be able to even give ourselves the love and appreciation that we deserve, that we desire, because we're always on this hamster wheel of trying to validate ourselves or to protect ourselves. And so life becomes more about protection or validation than it does about presence and being present to love, being present to ourselves with an open heart. So in this video, I want to give you a little practice that we can do together to practice opening your heart. So you might close down your eyes now and place a hand on the center of your chest and gently pat the center of your chest like you would pat the bottom of a baby or the back of a baby to soothe it. As you take long, slow inhales and exhales, and you bring your awareness from your mind, which is our safe place. You might imagine that with each exhale, you're dropping that attention and that energy down into the center of your chest, where you're tapping your chest. Each exhale, dropping yourself down into the center of your chest and starting to feel that this is my heart. Just acknowledging as it is right now, whether it feels open or closed or numb, tight. Just as it is right now, this is my heart. And this is the place that I want to live from. So as you're tapping your chest and you're bringing more and more attention there, and you're breathing nice, deep, slow breaths, I want you to just acknowledge to yourself what feelings, what emotions are there when you put your attention there. And as you notice, maybe I'm feeling some sadness. Maybe I'm feeling anger. Or I'm feeling numb. I can't feel anything. Okay, this is how my heart feels right now. I want you to go all the way into what you are feeling, meaning that you're not trying to stop it. You're not trying to force more of it, but imagining that you're going deeper into it. And it doesn't have to make any sense to your mind. Just what does it feel like to go deeper into what I am feeling right now? Feeling grief, I'm feeling loneliness. Whatever it is, let yourself go all the way into it. And you might experience an increase in that feeling. Let the emotion increase without trying to stop it or figure it out. Let it increase. And you may notice, like a wave, that it kind of becomes more intense. And if you don't stop it and you let it continue, that eventually it starts to dissipate a little bit. Almost like the wave that comes in and then goes out. That feeling, when it dissipates, is a completion of allowing yourself to feel what you've been feeling, but have probably been repressing the full feeling of. That's one of the ways that we keep our hearts closed and protected, is that it feels like it's going to be too much if we allow ourselves to really feel what we feel. And so we feel part of it and then we ignore it. We turn away from it. We repress it. We turn to something else. And so there's this unmet feeling within that has been asking for attention, asking for completion, asking for compassion or acknowledgement. When you let yourself completely feel what you're feeling until it dissipates, that is healing. That is beginning to open your heart. Because our heart gets closed because we feel like, it's too much. My sensitivity is too much. My being vulnerable is too much. Feeling is too much. And so the heart closes. And when it does that, then we can't receive love. And so we feel like we have to achieve or accomplish something or fix something. And we keep striving for something that is right there, but we're not able to receive it when the heart is closed. So the more that you can practice feeling into your heart and noticing what you feel, allowing yourself to feel it all the way through, that starts to allow your heart, like a flower in the center of your chest, allows it to start blossoming, opening. And that's how we can live from the heart. That's how we can receive the love that's there. That's how we can become more content and really be with the accomplishments, validating ourselves, appreciating ourselves, having compassion for ourselves. That's healing. It's that simple. I hope this is helpful for you. So much love to your heart, and may all of our hearts open to receive the love that's already here. I'll see you tomorrow.